Hello guys, just a quick video here of this is our top pond next to the house, and what I'm going to show you is I'm just going to do a bit of a walk around the pond, showing you the work we've done on it, because it was in a bit of a state before it started to get. As you can see, we've removed an awful lot of pondweed, so it's looking good now. We're just going to keep it clear. And they're going to hopefully, once the pondweed rots down, we've made a path along the bottom so it's easier to get through. And then we're hopefully going to have all the banks trimmed as lawn, grass trimmed. As you can, I don't know whether you can see it, but it's pretty clear now. You can see to the bottom. And it should fill up soon with there should be a bit more water should come in. We've got some lilies here, yellow. There's quite a lot in there, which we sometimes get those out for the nursery. There's a few in the corner, but we're going to replant some more in the spring at this end, some more lilies. So yeah, see a pathway out. Still got a bit more brush cutting and stuff to do in this corner on these reeds to get them down. But it's not too bad. It's looking lots better than it was. Unfortunately, I didn't do any videos before we started the job. But it's looking pretty good. Got quite a few lilies. There used to be a lot more looking back at some of the older photos in here. We need a few more varieties planted up in here to cut from the nursery. So. And the path goes right to up there, so it's a lot better. A few more lilies on that side as well, probably. There's a boat that we sometimes use. Might put in a few steps in this corner. And then I'm just going to do a quick power over to here. A very quick lap of this one. This is just another pond of ours. This one, again, this one was in quite a state, but this one was actually probably worse. All these stumps out there were massive bits of willow, clumps of willow that we've chopped down. Sorry about that. And then we've got this broad-leafed alder tree. That's a specimen tree we're leaving with a couple of ashes, just if there's a few trees around. It's an oak in the corner there. There's a lot of this blooming algae on the top of it that just, so we're just going to try and keep netting it off. Hopefully it'll die. And then the idea is to net any that comes back. But the other thing we're doing is putting in lots of extra lilies, because all there is lilies are these and a few at the end, so we're planting up with a lot of extra lilies in this pond, because there's not really enough. Problem is, it was the person that owned the place before us dug it out a bit too deep, really, for growing lilies. But you can still grow some in there. So. And then there's a lot of these spiky water, they're called water soldiers, or stratiotes. They're an oxygenator. They don't seem to be doing much, and they're just dying off now, so we're going to get rid of those. Those can all come out. There's a bit of gunner there. It's quite a nice plant. I'll just quickly have a view over here. These are the lilies, you know how I said we get some out to put up for sale. These all sort of thing. What we do after they come up the pond, they go in baskets and then we sell them all. You just see there's a few more of those lilies at this end. And what I've found is did a bit of research online. There's a view of the pond. What I've found, done a little bit of research. Apparently, if there's too many nutrients in the pond, the algae can grow excessively, and that does seem about right. So in the top one, there's none where there's loads of lilies. So I reckon if we go try and get some more lilies going in there, then they'll take a lot of nutrients, and the algae won't have much to feed on. Or we might put in some certain animals and they'll eat it, but I'm not sure of those. Yeah, there's a lot of these reeds as well. These aren't bulrushes, they're another reed which is quite invasive, so most of them will come out. We always leave a small, because they're probably hidden in there now, because I've come, but there's some moorhens, there's 5 moorhens that live on this pond. So we let them stay, so we always leave a bit of a patch there for them. And those are some Chorus calamus, that's called, sweet rushes. There's a few more of there, and there are a few irises dotted about on, but again we might put in a few more marginal plants around the edges. And then this, we planted a lily there and a lily there, but they're not really, well, they're only slips that went in. We might put a few more in around the edge of them, so more of a patch. So problem is you have to select them, so you have to select the right lily for that pond. Not many that will grow in there. The problem is the ones that do grow, we've got loads of them because they grow so well. That's Molly Sugar and Nutella, that patch, and that is a really nice lily. It's a yellow one. Now back to the top pond, we're just walking back up now. I'm going to start work today doing some more of that pond probably. Might do a bit of strimming of that corner later for the brush cutter out. Still, we've got quite a few logs from doing that pond. All those that are going to be chopped out, and that stump we pulled out. There's a bit more there that came out. Right then, see you in the next video. The next video will probably be another pond video, but that'll probably be when we've completed the whole rest, like, you know. Well, there might be an update in sort of a month or so. If it all cleaned out and completed and just clean and tidy. And then we'll probably do an update in the spring or summer again, with all the lilies planting up and it looking really nice and clear. Hi guys.